How to send a gift message in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a gift message in Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just go to the chat where you want to send the message to. And now here, once you are inside the chat, just tap on the text bar and there you can simply type the message like you normally would. And now here, once you're done typing the message, just tap on the emoji icon which can be seen in the edge of the text box. And now here, once you tap on it, at the bottom, the emoji section will open up. Now from here, you can simply scroll down and there under send effects button, there you will see a gift wrap option. So there you can simply tap on it, and once you do that, your message will be sent inside a gift wrap animation. Now, the person receiving your message will have to tap the gift to unwrap it and read what you sent. Super fun, right? And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.